In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Framer website. We'll walk through Framer's built-in analytics so you can quickly understand who's visiting, how they're interacting, and what's working on your site. First, open your project in Framer. Once you're in the editor, look toward the top where you see Canvas. Hover over Canvas or the small drop-down next to it to reveal more options related to your project. From that menu, click Analytics. This opens the Analytics overview, which is where you'll spend most of your time measuring performance. At the top of the Analytics view, choose the number of days you want to analyze. Presets make it easy to see recent trends without typing dates. If you need precision, also select the exact date range using the calendar. Narrow windows are great for campaign checks. Broader windows show seasonality and long-term growth. Now let's read the metrics. Live visitors shows how many people are on your site right now. It's useful for monitoring launches or announcements in real time. Unique visitors counts distinct people in your selected range, helping you gauge the true reach of your site beyond repeat traffic. Total page views shows how many pages were viewed overall. It tends to be higher than uniques because a single visitor can view multiple pages. Bounce rate tells you the percentage of visitors who left after viewing just one page. A high bounce rate can indicate slow load times, mismatched content, or weak calls to action. Finally, average session highlights how long a typical visit lasts. Longer sessions often mean content is engaging and navigation is clear. A few tips as you analyze. Compare short and long ranges to spot spikes versus sustained growth. Segment your date ranges before and after a change to validate its impact. And remember that ad blockers or privacy settings can reduce tracking for a small portion of visitors. So focus on trends rather than single-day swings. That's it. By opening Analytics from the Canvas menu, setting your date range, and interpreting live visitors, unique visitors, total page views, bounce rate, and average session, you'll have a clear picture of your site's performance right inside Framer.